Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today we have July's Zenpop box, which I had a sneak peek just before, and I think this is all like fireworks related, which is very exciting. I'm not quite sure why July is fireworks for Joanne, but it looks really cool. I think I'm going to really enjoy this box. So, oh, this is a bit up. Oh yeah, here, let me push this down. So basically, these are like stickers that you can use on your gridded sheets. It's supposed to be 2 pages. Here it is, 2 sheets of them. But you can see you kind of can seal envelopes, highlight text, titles in your planner, or stick photos on. So I find this really useful for my travel planner, which I actually, in all honesty, have not updated in a little while, but I'm saving these for that purpose. So this looks like a pen. I actually have one of these already. I think it's in my work backpack. I'm not quite sure, but I can always use this in my personal backpack. It is basically a pair of scissors. Very, very cool. They're not the most comfortable scissors to use just because of the size, but they're very convenient. The only thing is that I've been caught out once before at airport security. You got to make sure you don't carry these in your backpack when you're going onto the airplane, because they just look so harmless. So I put them in my pencil case, and then you get caught out, and then you have to throw them away, like they take it from you, and that really breaks my heart. So that's the downside. This is a letter set, fireworks letter set. Very cool. I'm not going to open it, but you can kind of see what it is like. I used to save these to give them away, and now I actually save them to write letters or for the sticker shop for some of the orders. Oh, okay, we've got a little friction pen here. I'll test this out at the end of the video. And then we have, oh, I think I already have this. I'm pretty sure it's been in like a previous box. It's basically like a glow-in-the-dark eraser, but it's like a gooey eraser. So, you know, I don't know if people have them, but back in high school, especially in the arts classes, we would have these erasers that were moldable, essentially. I think this is basically one of them. Yeah, it's like, ooh, it's falling apart a little bit. But it's like, I'm just gonna, I don't know if it's moldable itself, but it looks pretty moldable-ish, yeah. But it's supposed to be glow-in-the-dark. That back there. We have some stickers, beautiful, beautiful stickers. And then I love this. I think this is supposed to be a postcard because of what you've got back here. But look, it's kind of like a transparent postcard. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Do people still use postcards? I don't even know they do. I actually thought at first this was going to be like the sort of like the board you use behind paper in your planner so that you don't imprint on the page after, which I might actually keep it for that reason because I can't imagine sending this out. And then we've got 2 more left. Basically washi tape. We've got this. Do they have to design fireworks washi tape here? I might just unravel this so you can see for yourself. And then this one is kind of like a foiling. So let me open both these and get a closer look. So you've got this great fireworks version, and then this is foiling, different color, like a gold, silver, blue. So those are all the washi tapes. Let's test this one out. I don't think I have anything like this one. This is a Pilot Cherry and Peach. It's 2-tone color pen. Why is it 2-tone? Okay. So, kind of like friction, but a little different. When you erase it, it changes color. So it's like this peachy color, and this is the cherry color. That's kind of a cool take to it. That's very different. Okay. Don't know if I would want to buy the whole set because, as I said in a previous video, I'm not a fan of friction in general, but that is pretty cool. Anyways, pretty short video. I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you internet.